Opening a bitwala account is a practical step for anyone looking to combine traditional banking with cryptocurrency management in one platform. Bitwala, now known as Nuggs, offers a seamless way for beginners to enter the world of crypto while maintaining a standard euro or dollar account for everyday transactions. The first thing to consider as a beginner is the account plan. Bitwala offers a single, straightforward account structure that integrates a crypto wallet, a bank account, and access to trading services. Signing up requires standard verification, including ID and proof of residence, which ensures compliance with financial regulations and the safety of your funds. Once verified, you will have access to a fully functional IBAN account. This allows direct deposits, wire transfers, and a debit card for everyday spending. All transactions in dollars are straightforward, with the option to convert instantly to Bitcoin or Ethereum. The platform charges minimal fees for trading, typically around 1% per transaction, which is transparent and predictable for beginners. The account also includes automated crypto buying options. You can set up recurring purchases, for example $50 weekly, which helps beginners gradually build crypto holdings without trying to time the market. Security is built into the system, with two-factor authentication and wallet encryption ensuring that both your dollars and cryptocurrencies remain safe. For beginners, the bitwala account plan is ideal because it merges traditional banking with crypto investment, eliminating the need to juggle multiple accounts or platforms. It's simple, low-cost, and secure, making it suitable for anyone starting their financial journey in dollars while exploring the crypto space. Opening a bitwala account today gives access to a single, streamlined plan that handles banking, crypto trading, and secure storage efficiently, making it a practical choice for beginners looking for reliability and simplicity in one platform.